a shed in the holler, rusty padlock. Fresh boots in the mud, if them walls could talk, they cuss. Then ask if you came with blood. Coffee in a thermos, donuts in a sack. Camo cab low, but the beard ain't back. Walked in shaggy, walked out clean. Now his chin's gotta shine like a crime scene. Sadie Joe stared like, who the hell is that? Sniffed his face, then jumped right back. Fresh haircut, sharp, no whiskers remain, but that old outlaw look still lives in his brain. They call him the hairless assassin, smooth jaw, cold stare flashing, old bones, mean reputation. Fresh cut menace, no hesitation. Whole damn county knows where he stands, baby. Smooth chin with dangerous hands. They call him the hairless assassin. Takes his sweet time, then he blows your mind. He grows that garden for his back pain. Green rose hiding behind the barn. Rolls one up, says doctor's orders, then rides that quad like a stolen car. Coyotes yippy, just yips right back. Fresh fade glowing down a dirt road track. Spotlight sweeps through cedar and stony mud as bad choice and heads back home. Sadie Joe's wagging like she knows the deal. New haircut, sharp, oh chaos real. No beard to hide him, no fuss, no disguise, just donut dust and outlaw eyes. They call him the hairless assassin, smooth jaw, cold stare flashing, old bones, mean reputation. Fresh cut menace, no hesitation. Whole damn county knows where he stands, baby. Smooth chin with dangerous hands. They call him the hairless assassin. Takes his sweet time, then he blows your mind. Screaming banjo on fire, Uncle Surf's chin got the whole town wired. Clap, clap, stomp, everybody spin. Don't trust a man with that polished chin. Quiet-legged daylight mist on the glass. Bobber barely twitching, time drifting past. He's thinking about redheads and trouble he knew, and whether his beard's gonna grow back by June. Pocket full of tall tales, pocket full of shells. Fresh haircut from heaven, attitude from hell. By the campfire glow, he'll grin real slow. Say, I ain't changed none, I just lost a fro. Blaze sugar on his fingers, nicotine cough. Laugh like rebel in a coffee can. Whirlwind soft, I stay crunchy, then rubbed his chin like, damn, I look like a brand new man. Got a Bible somewhere in the truck, says grace over smokes and catfish luck. Lord, send a redhead with questionable plans, and don't let her laugh at my hairless glands. He taps that quad seat, climb on, don't stall. No beard on his face, but he still scares them all. Wild and free as a broke down fence. Clean shaven chaos with zero common sense. They call him the hairless assassin, smooth jaw, cold stare flashing, old bones, mean reputation. Fresh cut menace, no hesitation. Whole damn county knows where he stands, baby. Smooth chin with dangerous hands. They call him the hairless assassin. Takes his sweet time, then he blows your mind. Sadie Joe barks, the campfire cracks. Uncle Surf lean back with the smooth face.
All right, folks, we're gonna call it a day. We just got to running 100 foot of 3/4 inch PEX insulated. Started up at the water main, ran all the way down this side of the house, back around over here to the utility room, right here to the sink. So we're going to call it. We appreciate you watching.